In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change from Turbotax Live to the regular Turbotax service. Doing this is quite straightforward and can be accomplished in just a few easy steps. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Turbotax official website. Just type into your browser turbotax.intuit.com. This is your one-stop shop for all things TurboTax, and from here you can manage your account and adjust your services. Once you've landed on the home page, the next thing you need to do is locate the sign in button. It's usually at the top right hand corner of the page. When you click it, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. If you have your TurboTax login details handy, go ahead and log in now. With that done, you'll find yourself on your TurboTax homepage. It's here that you can review your tax returns, track your refund status, and most importantly, change your product. Next, you'll want to locate and click on the Switch Products option. This option is typically found within the menu or perhaps under your account settings. Clicking it will lead you to the options for switching between different TurboTax products. Once you've accessed the Switch Products section, it's time to make your choice. You're going to click on Upgrade, even though what we're actually doing is switching to a different product tier. TurboTax sometimes uses the term upgrade to encompass any change in service level, whether you're opting for more features or simply adjusting from a live assist service to a standard one. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully changed from TurboTax Live to regular TurboTax. You should now have full access to your new setup, moving forward with filing your taxes in a manner that suits your needs. A few tips before we wrap up. If at any point you face difficulties or the interface seems a bit off, don't hesitate to use the help or support functions on the TurboTax website. They offer detailed guidance and can assist you in navigating any complexities. And one last piece of advice is to double check that all your existing data and tax return information have transferred correctly between products. There you have it, a simple guide to changing your TurboTax product. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and everything went smoothly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our channel for more tips and tutorials. Until next time.